There are scam artists out there who'll come and try to take advantage of us when we're at our most vulnerable point in life. So keep your receipts and don't be taken in by a scam artist who stops in your front yard and says, "Here, I'm here to help you." Wait for inspections and claim adjusters to help you validate what you're doing.
And I would make sure they are licensed and insured. It's very important. I would get their address. Make sure that address is a true address. Make sure they're a legitimate company, a legitimate contractor, and they're local and you can stay in touch with them.
There are a few red flags. If you have a contractor who asks for all of the money up front, if a contractor does not have you sign any documentation prior to starting the work, those are some red flags that they may not be a reputable contractor.
If the homeowner is having a hard time finding a reputable contractor, they can contact their local home builders association and they can get them in touch with anybody that they need.